VidSnatcher has been in the making for the past 2 years and is now completely ready for the masses to enjoy. It's the ultimate Camtasia replacement, geared towards helping video marketers easily mobile record, edit, and create beautiful videos in the cloud. Mobile recording: record videos with any mobile device with VidSnatcher 2.0 plus iOS and Android. Screen record: screen capture: record your entire screen, a region, window, and tab plus full-page scrolling screenshots. Panoramic capture: import media: import video, audio, and images from your computer or directly from an online source. Drag and drop timeline editor: drag and drop media, add unlimited layers for easy editing. Text-to-speech engine: instantly turn your text into a lifelike male or female voice. VidSnatcher 2.0 is the best e-learning video creation, recording and editing software for training videos, video lessons, demo videos, how-to videos, meeting recording, explainer videos, instructional videos, presentation recordings. This video was created with VidSnatcher 2.